just feels right. I've been through the fast kind, could break my heart kind. The saying now regret it later type. But when you stepped in, everything shifted. You didn't force it, you just fit in. No pressure, no chase, just natural chemistry. Every little thing you do got the best of me. When you pull me close, so whisper low, that's when I know. I don't gotta question, I don't gotta fight. Every time I'm with you, everything feel right. No second guessing, no sleepless nights. When I'm in your arms, boy, you feel right. You feel right, 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 right. Like summer in the night, like stars in the sky shining so bright. No wrong, no lie. Every time you hold me, it's electric inside. We don't gotta show it, what we got growing, and everybody know it. Late night vibing, music low playing, slow wine timing, heartbeat swaying. You respect my space, still protect my heart. That's why from the start, we've been smart. No jealousy, no insecurity, just real love and my truth. I don't need permission to love you loud, but even when it's quiet, you make me proud. No confusion, no disguise. When I look at you, I see paradise. Like sunshine after rain, like healing to my pain, like rhythm in reverse. So natural, so smooth. Every time you touch me, I got nothing to lose. Yes, you feel right. Yeah, you feel right. Dance all, break down, wine slow, pull me near. Feel the island in the air, no stress, no fear. We locked in over here, move left, move right, keep it tight all night. When I say you feel right, that's for life. Heartbeat, sing to the drum, you and me become one. This ain't temporary fun, this that real hold. I pray for something steady, not flashy, not petty. Somebody strong and ready. You came with patience, came with peace, made all my doubts decrease. I can be soft with you, I can be strong. I don't gotta pretend no